Wishing you all a very good evening. Good evening, Shushma. Good evening, Mamta. Good evening, Malika. Good evening, Shilpa. Good evening, Anusha, Shamulina. Harsh, Pallavi, Aparna, Uma. So good, Shalin. Good to see you all. Meenal, Rucha, Ritu, Action Kalpu, Anand, Neelam. Malika, Smita, iPhone, Aishwarya. I request you all to please switch on your camera so that I can see your beautiful faces. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to each one of you for being present over here and coming for the 30-day challenge. You showed up today for the day one. Awesome! Let's celebrate for showing up. Yes, you could have been doing something else, but all of you thought of being present over here. Isn't it? Isn't it? You would have had other classes, you would have family commitments, you would have it's weekend corner, you would have want to go to your friends and family, but still you made a point to come over here. So you need to give a pat, give your pat, give a pat, give a pat to yourself, give a pat to yourself. Awesome. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now tell me, how many of you would want to open yourself for manifesting abundance? If you would want to open yourself for manifesting abundance, then type in comments me. Type in comments me. I'm open, me. Awesome. How many of you believe that you truly deserve a life wherein you have good health, lots of wealth, and love in relationships? How many of you feel that you truly deserve? Do you deserve that? Yes, 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 or no. Bolo. Yes, or no. Yes. Only few people are shaking their head. Yes. Awesome. Wonderful. Superb. Super. What are we going to do today? In today's session, we will understand about one of the most powerful laws, spiritual laws, that is law of gratitude. We will understand how gratitude opens ourselves up to abundance. Would you want to understand about this law? Yes? Wonderful. And we will meditate to open our heart chakra for gratitude. Would you want to meditate? Yes. And we will also create an energy circle for our heart chakra. Are your colors with you? Do you have your colors? Do you have notebook? Do you have a pen? Yes? Awesome. Wonderful. This is nice. Wonderful. And then I will be sharing you about the challenges which we are going to do and how the whole process is going to take place. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Yes. Oh, no. You're ready? See, ordinary people start stronger and extraordinary people finish stronger. Are you ordinary or extraordinary? Are you ordinary or extraordinary? Type in comments. Are you ordinary or extraordinary? Pallavi is saying. That means today you have showed up and you are going to participate in the challenges. And on the 30th day, again you have to show up over here. Yes? See, if you will participate, if you will participate in all the challenges, I assure you that there will be a shift in your life. Last time, I think last year, when I conducted this challenge of gratitude, things shifted in people's life. Their relationship shifted, their health issues shifted, their wealth conditions improved. Would you also want to do that? Yes? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Wonderful. So, for that, I would thank you for switching on your camera, Tanveer, Taru, Mansi. Good to see you all. Wonderful. Hmm? So, before that, there are many new people attending the session who are attending my session for the first time. If you're attending my session for the first time, then type in FT so that I can welcome you. Are you attending my session for the first time? Or are you my silver member? Are you the diamond member? Type in comments. Nagrathan first time, Beena first time, Shushma first time, Kalpu first time, Anuradha first time. So many new people. Ansh's first time, Uma is first time, Beena is first time. So many new people. Aparna, Renuka, Prisley. Super. We all let us all welcome the new members. Let us all welcome the new members into our 30-day challenge. Ruchika had attended the morning class. Awesome. And then you joined in over here. Awesome. Superb. So, will you continue for your 30 days? Will you continue, each one of you? Will you participate? Yes? Will you give in your 200%? Will you give in your 200%? Yes or no? Yes? You will. Awesome. Now tell me, you have your candle with you? You have your candle with you? Yes, you have your candle with you? Let us switch on the candle. Let us light the candle. Keep your crystals with you. Let us light the candle. Let us light the candle. See, already my candles I have, but I'll be lighting one more candle with you. Come, let us light a candle and let us pray for the change. Let us light the candle first. Let us light the candle. Tomorrow is new moon. So energy is before the full moon and new moon. Yes, Shalini, you can invite them for this challenge. You can share the link, they can join in. So let us light the candle. Let us light the candle for the change and transformation. Let the light come in us. Let us light the candle. If you don't have, then I will be like, the candle which I'm lighting will be for all of you all. Awesome. Wonderful. Yes? Wonderful. Now, let us pray for the change. Let us join your hands, join your hands, join your hands. Close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Say, dear God, I'm open to change and free from fear. Please give me the courage to change the things I can, the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, and the wisdom to know the difference. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Please show me now. Now, you have your sage, you have your agarbatti with you to cleanse yourself. See, new moon and full moon are very powerful days to cleanse our energies. That is the reason why we meditate on full moon and new moon. Tomorrow is new moon energies before 2 days before the new moon and full moon, and 2 days after are very strong. So tomorrow is 31st. Many of you would be partying, so I thought of keeping the meditation today. And I wanted to start it. So if you have your sage and agarbatti, light the sage and agarbatti and let us first cleanse ourselves. Fire element is very powerful. Let us cleanse ourselves. अगर नहीं है तो आप सॉल्ट के साथ में भी कर सकते हो. हम नजर उतारते हैं ना बच्चों की नमक से, वैसे ही आप अपने लिए भी कर सकते हो. अगर सेज और अगरबत्ती नहीं है तो आप सॉल्ट लेकर आके उससे भी कर सकते हो. यस, हमने सेज यूज किया या अगरबत्ती या धूप जो भी है वो लेकर आएंगे और हमारे पहले सारे चक्रास को क्लीन करेंगे. एक इंटेंशन डालेंगे जितनी भी नेगेटिव एनर्जी है वो रिलीज हो रही है. And then anti-clockwise we will rotate anti-clockwise. All the darker energies are being released. Cleanse yourself 7 times. Now an infinity sign: cleanse, shield, protect, cleanse, shield, protect, cleanse, shield, protect. Now take 2 minutes to cleanse the area where you are. Cleanse the space, energies. कहो बुरी नजर, जितनी भी memories हैं past की जो अच्छी सर्व नहीं कर रही हैं उसे cleanse कर दो. Just take 2 minutes to cleanse the space and we'll be back in 2 minutes. Awesome. Are you back? Are you back? Are you back? Yes. Thank you, Ram Devi, for informing. Wonderful. Now, let's begin. Tell me, are you feeling lighter after cleansing yourself? Are you feeling a little lighter after cleansing yourself? Yes? It takes just 2 minutes, but we don't take out time for ourselves, na? करते नहीं है ना? नहीं ना, खाली सिर्फ न्यू मून फुल मून पे मेरे साथ में करते हो. क्यों? इम्पोर्टेंट हो ना? करना चाहिए ना? Isn't it? Great. Now tell me, according to you, why is it important to practice gratitude? आपके हिसाब से gratitude practice करना क्यों जरूरी है? Why is it important to practice gratitude? To stay positive, to feel blessed, keep you humble. Gratitude means more reason to be there for grateful for, to thank God for our lovely gifts because it invites abundance to stay high frequency, feel thankful. Good to see you, Pallavi. Thanking God to invite more blessings. Super. Don't be in the energy of lack. It makes us feel satisfied. Love for all. Be grateful for the blessings. Okay. Now, अभी जब हम खड़े होते हैं, okay, all of us when we are standing, we know that we are not going to fall. Agreed? Yes? We stand up. I stand up. I just stood up from the seat. Was I thinking, oh, now I'm going to fall? No. You all also stood up while cleansing. Were you thinking कि अभी मैं गिर जाऊंगी या गिर जाऊंगा? No. Why? 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 गिर तो सकते हैं ना, पर हम क्यों नहीं सोच रहे थे? बैलेंस, करेक्ट सुरभि, पर क्यों बैलेंस हम कैसे कर पा रहे हैं? Because we know confidence, faith, we know the force of God, because we know that there is law of gratitude, law of gravity which is working. है ना? साइंस में हमने पढ़ा था लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी, पढ़ा था कि नहीं? वो फोर्स है जो हमें पकड़ के रखा है, वो हमें गिरने नहीं देता. अग्रीड? ये हम माने या ना माने, ये लॉ है जो चल रहा है. अग्रीड? सिमिलरली हमारे यूनिवर्स में लॉज चल रहे हैं. जो हम माने या ना माने वो होते जरूर हैं. Let me give you some other example. Now, how many of you play cricket or do you watch cricket? Yes, yes. या कभी सुना होगा, बचपन में खेला होगा या बच्चों को खेलते हुए देखा होगा. यस. अगर अगर वो क्रिकेट मैच जीतना है तो हमें क्या करना होता है? लव क्रिकेट. यस. क्या करना क्या होगा अगर वो क्रिकेट मैच को जीतना है तो हमें करना क्या होता है? आउट. प्ले वेल. मोर रन्स. प्ले योर बेस्ट. Need to perform best. All out opponent and more runs. Group strategy. Play. Agreed. Play तो करना है. Follow rules. Yes. वो रूल्स को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा और रूल्स को फॉलो करने के लिए हमें रूल्स को समझना भी पड़ेगा. अग्रीड? अगर वो रूल्स पता ही नहीं होंगे तो हम खेल पाएंगे नहीं. Similarly, life on earth is a big game. To win this game, we need to understand the rules of the game. And these rules are the spiritual laws. These rules are the spiritual laws. And one of the spiritual law of higher frequency, this one of the spiritual law is law of gratitude. तो अगर हम इसे माने या ना माने, ये लॉज होते हैं और ये चलते हैं. ऐसे स्पिरिचुअल लॉज में लॉ ऑफ कर्मा, लॉ ऑफ ब्लेसिंग, लॉ ऑफ प्रेयर काफी सारे आ जाते हैं. हम डायमंड मेंबरशिप में इसमें और डीपर में जाते हैं. बट टुडे आवर फोकस इज ऑन ग्रैटिट्यूड, बिकॉज attitude of gratitude helps us manifesting abundance in life. So one of the holy scriptures, it is said in one of the holy scriptures, whoever has will be given more and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken from him. So what does this mean? What does this mean? Whoever has will be given more and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have, even what he has will be taken away from him. यानी जो रिच हैं वो और रिच होते जाएंगे और जो पुअर हैं वो और पुअर होते जाएंगे. ऐसा? क्या समझा आपको ये स्टेटमेंट में से? So when it is written whoever has, what does has mean? If you are not thankful for what you have, then you don't learn from it, not believing in law of gratitude. It refers to gratitude. Yes, it refers to gratitude. So whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will be in abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even when what he has or she has will be taken away from him or her. So this is the law of gratitude. चाहे जितनी भी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हो रही होगी आपकी लाइफ में, पर आपके पास कोई ना कोई रीजन तो होगा ग्रेटफुल होने के लिए. सी, वी ऑल आर अलाइव टुडे. Isn't it a blessing? We are born as human beings. Isn't it a blessing? We have eyes to see, we have nose to smell, we have ears to listen. Many people are not having these things. Isn't it? पर जब कितनी बार हमारी लाइफ में जैसे ही डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन आती है, हम कौन से मोड में चले जाते हैं? क्रिब मोड में चले जाते हैं. और जैसे ही हम क्रिब मोड में जाते हैं, क्या होता है? और चीजें बेकार हो जाती हैं. आप लिख के रख लो कि कहीं पे लाइफ में किसी के हेल्थ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, वेल्थ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, या रिलेशनशिप में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, तो वहां पर ग्रैटिट्यूड जरूर मिसिंग होगा. The moment you shift your energies towards gratitude, things will start shifting. You know, many people, difficult people come into our life. They play the role of a villain so that we can upgrade ourselves. अगर वो डिफिकल्ट पीरियड नहीं आता, वो डिफिकल्ट लोग नहीं आते हमारे लाइफ में, तो हम अपग्रेड नहीं हो पाते. तो क्या हम वो डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन में भी ग्रैटिट्यूड ढूंढ पाते हैं या नहीं? साउथ में देर इज दिस अम्मा, उनको हगिंग अम्मा बोलते हैं, जिनके पास लोग जाते हैं, जिनको भी वो दर्शन देती हैं, तो वो उन्हें हग करती हैं और लोग ब्लेस्ड फील करते हैं. डिवाइन लाइट उनके थ्रू एंड थ्रू फ्लो होती है. And it is said that she had a very difficult childhood. She had a dark complexion. Her parents did not love her. The elder siblings used to bully her. Her parents did not help. उससे घर का सारा काम कराते थे. She used to be the last one to sleep. She hardly got anything to eat. But she was always living in grateful. She used to believe in Lord Krishna. So one day, Lord Krishna gave her blessings, and then later on, Devi herself came in her and she got enlightened. And someone asked her, then now she's an enlightened one, how is she treating her parents? उन्होंने बताया कि for every ceremonies they are sitting just next to her, towards her right, because she believes that if she wouldn't have seen those difficult times, she wouldn't have grown. So all those difficult times are there for you to grow. So there's one more example. There was this lady who had difficult relationship with her daughter. It was Christmas time, vacation time, and she had to spend time with her daughter. She was a little skeptical about it कि पता नहीं क्या होगा अब छुट्टी, in this vacation, how things are going to be. Generally, it is very bad. होता है कि नहीं आपके साथ में भी ऐसे होता है ना? कभी कभी कुछ रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रेन होते हैं और फिर आप डर रहे होते हैं. So same was with her. But for a change, when she went to her daughter's place this time, she greeted her well and she handed her a letter. And in that letter, she asked her mother to read the letter, and in that letter, she wrote how thankful she was to her mom. She remembered all those little incidents the caring nature her mother had when she was small. The moment her mother read that letter, her heart opened up with joy and happiness. Tears started rolling down. Her daughter was undergoing a difficult financial situation, and her mother then felt connected to her, and she said that what's the use of me carrying so much of wealth when my daughter is in so much of trouble. And she then next day, without her even asking, she sent her a check. There are so many examples how gratitude has helped them open up. There was a gratitude and appreciation. There was a naughty child in one of the classes, and what happened? He used to not do his homework. Every teacher used to scold him. बहुत परेशान करता था वो सबको. And luckily, the teacher, that teacher left and some other teacher came in. And then she started looking for something good in that child. And she started appreciating him. Slowly, she found out that he loved gardening. So she made him create a window, and he was made the monitor to look after that. The flowers started coming up, everyone started praising him, and there was a shift in his attitude. This is how love, gratitude, appreciation opens us up. Are you ready to open yourself to this? Yes? Yes or no? बहुत बोर किया मैंने. हाँ, बोर हो गए. बहुत ज्यादा स्टोरी स्टोरी बोला. यस, पता है कितनी बार ऐसे होता है कि हम मुंह से थैंक यू बोलते हैं, मतलब ना ऊपरी तौर पे थैंक यू बोलते हैं. किसी ने मुझे पानी का ग्लास पकड़ाया और मैंने बोला थैंक यू, और अंदर से दिल से नहीं बोलते हैं, तो वो नहीं कहलाता ग्रैटिट्यूड. पता है, इट इज मच मोर देन दैट. And that is what we are going to open ourselves to in next 28 days. होता है ना कितनी बार ऐसे, हम सिर्फ वो एक रूटीन में आ जाते हैं, किसी ने कुछ किया उसके लिए थैंक यू बोल दिया, पर अंदर से नहीं फील करते हैं, चीजों को ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं. होता है कि नहीं? बी ऑनेस्ट, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, सब ये विश्व साइकिल में फंसते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट 28 डेज आपको एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग व्हाट्सएप पे एक चैलेंज दिया जाएगा. ठीक है, आपने वो चैलेंज में क्या करना है? आपने वो वहां पर चैलेंज में एक एक्टिविटी दी गई होगी, वो एक्टिविटी को पूरा करना है और फिर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में वो फोटो भेजनी है. We will be tracking of who is participating, and I love giving gifts. People know that. So people who participate in the coming days, 100% you will participate. How well you will write, how well you will do activity, all those things will be looked at. अगर आपने मिस कर दिया तो आप आउट हो जाओगे चैलेंज से. ठीक है, तो मिस नहीं करना है. एंड I'm picking this activity from this beautiful book called The Magic. So there are 28 day challenge, और इसमें लिखा गया है कि अगर आप एक दिन चैलेंज मिस करोगे तो वो साइकिल ब्रेक हो जाती है, तो आपको 3 days बैक वाली एक्टिविटी से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो आप 10th डे पे आए, 10th डे आपने मिस कर दिया, तो आप कब से स्टार्ट करोगे? आप स्टार्ट करोगे 7th डे से. ठीक है, so that you come into that flow. Agreed? Yes? So every day in the morning you are going to get the challenge. Up until now I had closed for only admins could post, but now I've opened it up. Each one of you will be allowed to post. Morning we'll post the challenge, and after that you will be allowed to post your gratitude. ठीक है, तो ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको स्पेशल टाइम निकालना है, ये तो वे ऑफ लाइफ है ना. तो वो एक्टिविटीज इस तरह से डिजाइन है कि आप इजीली डे टू डे लाइफ में आप कर सकोगे. ऐसे नहीं है कि आपने बहुत सारा टाइम अलग से निकालना है, करना है. इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. इट इज़ बेसिकली इट विल हेल्प यू शिफ्ट योर ओन बीइंग. तो इसमें से जो 12 एक्टिविटीज हैं वो आपकी पास्ट की चीजों के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना है. देन द नेक्स्ट 10 एक्टिविटीज विल बी फॉर योर फ्यूचर ड्रीम्स एंड डिजायर्स. And then the next 6 activities will be beautiful. It will shift your being. In this way there will be 28 activities, and on the 30th day, like today is the first day, then tomorrow from day 1, tomorrow we'll be giving you 28 days challenge, and on the 30th day again we will be connecting on the Zoom call. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes. Yes. Awesome. देखो, अगर आप नेगेटिव स्टेट में होगे तो आप नेगेटिव चीजों को ही क्रिएट करोगे. आई डोंट लाइक माई रिलेशनशिप्स, आई डोंट लाइक माई जॉब, आई कांट पे माई बिल्स. तो वो कांट डोंट डोंट वही सब करके आपकी लाइफ में आएगा. नाउ यू हैव टू शिफ्ट योर फोकस टू ग्रैटिट्यूड. यस. यस. ऑसम. नाउ you have your colors, you have your pen with you. You have your colors and you have your pen with you. So let us open ourselves. Let us open our heart chakra for gratitude. Let us create a gratitude circle for ourselves. Let me share my screen how you need to do that. सो आई डोंट वांट यू टू राइट एनीथिंग. जो व्हाइट सर्कल के अंदर लिखा हुआ है वो नहीं लिखना है, पर आपने इस तरह से वॉयलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड जो हमारे चक्रास के कलर्स हैं उससे हमें ये ग्रैटिट्यूड सर्कल बनाना है. डोंट राइट योर, ये सब जो मैंने लिखा है वो नहीं लिखना है. आपको मैं बताऊंगी क्या लिखना है, और डेट ऑफ बर्थ भी ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. ठीक है. आई वॉन्ट यू टू फर्स्ट मेक द सर्कल रेड कलर से, फिर ऑरेंज कलर से, फिर येलो कलर से, फिर ग्रीन कलर से, फिर ब्लू कलर से, लाइट ब्लू, देन इंडिगो, देन वॉयलेट. डोंट राइट एनीथिंग इन बिटवीन. Don't write anything in between. Use your colors. Open yourself. Sushma, are you doing? Yes? Are you there? Surabhi, Shilpa, Jignesh, Amarjeet, Kirandeep, Smita, Kalpu, Pallavi, Jyotsna, Anand, Aishwarya, Ishika, Shalaka, Praveen, कला, अनुराधा, सुरेंद्र कुमार, दीप्ति, तुषार, लीना, प्रिस्ला, पूनम, ललिता, कविता, कविता शर्मा, अपर्णा, नागरथा, प्रतिभा, राजिया, हरीश. Are you doing? Sangam, Pratik, कमलदीप, प्रीति, ऋतु, आकांक्षा, मनासा, अमिता, ममता. आपने ज्वाइन किया है पर आप ये एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ में संध्या की नहीं? The color sequence is the rainbow color. So the innermost circle is red, then the second circle is orange, then the third circle is yellow, then we have the green, light blue, indigo and violet. It is our rainbow color, our chakra colors. Bhavya, Swati, Shruti, Chandrakala, Harpreet, Lakshmi Charan, Rupa, Bindu, Neeta, Redmi, Anuradha, Sangeeta, Leena. I want all of you to. Are you doing it? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Vibgyor. Awesome. Now, are you done with it? Are you done with it? Are you done? 2 more minutes. Neelam is done. Tanveer, you have done? You're done? Stop share. Hmm? Now, write your, on the top, write your name in capital letters. Write your name in capital letters. So if it's Neelam, write Neelam Rana in capital letters. With blue pen, you can write in capital letters, write your name. Then give me a date of birth. किसी का date of birth दो, फिर मैं बताती हूँ उसे कैसे लिखना है. Give me a date of birth. Give me a date of birth. 11th October 1990. 11th October 1990. So let us take one. Okay, one example I am taking. So if your date of birth is 11th October 1990. So first, what are we going to write? We are going to write the year. So how? Let me just have a look in the chat box. You want to see the colors again. Okay, don't write how I have written the date of birth in the circle. I'm sharing with you how you need to write. Okay. Now see, if the date of birth is 11th October 1980. Okay, 1990. So how are we going to write? We are going to write below our name, we will write first the year. So 19, comma 80, Then we will write the date of birth. So the date of birth is 11th. So 1 will come. Then after 1, we will put 1 comma. And then we will write October. October, the number is 10. So again, it will be 0. See the chat box, how I have written. See the chat box, how I have written. See the chat box. 11th October 1990. Sorry, 1980. I have written it wrong. Here I have written 1980. It is 1990. Let me edit. Is this clear? No? So what is your year? What is your year? You are born in, suppose you are born in 1975. If you're born in 1975, you will write the first two numbers of the year. So 19, 19. Then 75. So you will put comma after 19. Then you will put 7, 5. And in case you are born on 3rd of January. Okay. So the date is 03. So you write 0. Then you will put comma. Then you will write 3. And then the month is January. So 01. Okay. Is this clear? Is this clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now, okay. Now, what are we going to write? Below the date of birth, below the date of birth, we are going to write in capital divine thanks. We are going to write divine thanks. Yes, we are writing this inside the circle. We are writing this inside the circle. Divine thanks. Gomti, what do you want me to explain? In capital, yes. We will write it as, yes, the innermost circle, the space which is there, na? We will write now in capital divine thanks. See the chat box I have written. Date of birth. Poonam, share your date of birth. 30th June 1975. So you are going to write 19, comma 75. Then June is, sorry, 30th. 197. Yeah, 3, comma, then 0, then 06. Correct. Yes. So who's going to help Gomti? Who's going to help Gomti? Correct. Amit. Can you help me 2002? Wait, let me put it in the, you all are there in the WhatsApp group, na gratitude challenge WhatsApp group. Let me share it in the comment box. I have written it. I have written it in the WhatsApp group. The format, it is year, comma, year, day, comma, day. Okay. So my date of birth is 28th September 1979. Okay. My date of birth is 28th September 1979. So I will write it as 19, comma, 79, 2, comma, 809. So inside the circle, I'm going to write check the WhatsApp group. I have written out over there how we need to write. Superb. Now in that circle, okay. Now in the circle, in the remaining place, I want you to write, I am blessed and grateful for. I am blessed and grateful for. After divine thanks, what are you grateful for? I'm blessed that I'm born as a human being. I'm blessed that I'm alive. I have a beautiful daughter. I have a loving husband. What are you grateful for? Correct, Tanveer. The rest of the things we'll write it in small letters. I am blessed and grateful for. You'll write it in small letters. So energy circles are an healing instrument. It helps in sending energies to the universe faster. Done? You have written? After the date of birth, you will write, I am blessed and grateful for. So what are you grateful for? Complete the sentence. I am blessed and grateful for the money which I am getting, for the job which I have, for I am alive. I am blessed and grateful for food, clothing, and shelter. I have hands to help others, to help myself. I have eyes to see. What are you grateful for? कितनी सारी चीजें हो सकती है ना. For the chair which I am sitting, for the live Zoom connection which I have, for the time I am spending with my tribe, isn't it? Yes, yes. There's so many things you can write. तो जितना उसमें आता है, the circle will be small, I agree. Akansha, desires, we will write it later. Desires, we will write it later. I want you to be grateful for all the things which you have right now. Are you done with it? Are you done with it? Yes, Mansi? I cannot understand the sign language. You'll have to type. You'll have to type in the comments. Don't. No. Don't write outside the circle. Everything will be inside the circle. Whatever you can write, only inside the circle. Done? Done. Yes, only in the circle, in the red circle you are going to write. You can use every bit of the space. You can use every bit of the space. Now I want you to click a photograph and send it in the WhatsApp group. Quickly click a photograph and send it in the WhatsApp group. First show what you have created. Wait, let me put it in the gallery view. Show me what you have created. Show me. Did you create something or you're just sitting like this only? Did you create something? Oh wow. Show me a circle. Color, you must color it. Neelam? Yes? Yes. If you don't have colors, I want you to color it. Okay? I want all of you to color this. Make it more beautiful. Make it more beautiful. Color it, and I want you to stick it somewhere. You can stick it in your on your cupboard. You can stick it in on a wall, wherever you can see it daily. Okay? Stick it over there and then click a pick and send. Yes. Awesome. Great. Wonderful. Wonderful. Only one circle you created, Mamta. You have to create circle like this. The way. Okay, great. Now what a superb. Very nice. Very nice. Now on the next page, not on this page, this is the energy circle which you're going to stick it and then you're going to click a photograph and share. Now on the next page, what are you going to do? You are going to write your desired list of your desires. It can be any random thing which is coming to your mind with respect to health, wealth, relationship. It works like magic. For our diamond members, we have done money manifestation challenge, and in that challenge, many things came true, isn't it? बहुत सारी चीजें कुछ हैं हमारे डायमंड मेंबर्स बहुत सारी चीजें तो जो भी मैं एक्टिविटी करा रही हूँ उसको लाइटली मत लो उसको सीरियसली करो मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ योर डिजायर्ड what you want to manifest what you want to manifest in 2025 don't think how is it going to come true just write it down the more clearer you are the easier it is to manifest so if you want to go on a holiday so probably tomorrow when you'll get time or tonight before sleeping now you're making a list later on you can go a little deeper in it so if you want to go on a holiday what kind of a holiday you would want to go where you would want to go whom with whom you would want to go if you want to buy a car which car you would want to buy if you want to buy a house which locality you would want to buy if you want to send your children abroad to some college which college will it be how much will it cost you the more deeper you will go the more clearer you are the easier it is for you to manifest the more confused you are then it is very difficult for you to manifest yes सोचो क्या क्या मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हो कोई भी क्रेजीएस्ट से क्रेजीएस्ट आइडिया हो उसे पेपर पे लिख लो आज कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो है आइडियाज कभी सोचा ही नहीं अपने बारे में है ना लिखो लिखो कभी तो सोचना पड़ेगा ना बहुत सोच लिया लोगों के बारे में अब अपने बारे में सोचो क्या क्या क्रिएट करना चाहते हो हॉलीडे पे जाना चाहते हो अपने लिए कार खरीदना चाहते हो अपने लिए डायमंड रिंग लेना चाहते हो क्या करना चाहते हो कुछ खोलना चाहते हो if you want to improve your health condition be specific what you would want to improve how you can improve it If you want to achieve something, what would it be? It could be passing an exam, getting a degree, becoming an actor, becoming a doctor, becoming a scientist, whatever. Write down with respect to health, career, money, relationship, personal desires, material things. If you want a better job, then what kind of job you want, which company you would want to work. If you want to work with specific clients, whom you would want to work with. Yes, yes, yes. You can write in the present tense or in the normal way. Done. On a new page, Aparna, you need to write on a new page. Okay, Shilpa. Yes, you have written down. If you have written down, then write in comments D, done, then are done. Done? Yes. No worries, Kakali. I will share the recording and then you can do it. Ready? Awesome. Now we will meditate together to open our heart chakra. Are you ready to meditate? If you want to write it in present tense, you can write it. Yes, Aparna. Now I just wanted you to make a list of things which you would want to manifest. What should I repeat, Aparna? List of, you can write down your desires of health, wealth, relationship. Ready? If you have your crystals, you can hold your crystals. If you have your crystals, you can hold your crystals. Let me put some music for you. Wait. Can you hear me? Can you hear the music? Yes? Yes? Awesome. Now sit in a comfortable space. If you have any crystals, you can hold the crystals in your hand. If you have rose quartz, that's wonderful. If you don't have, that's also okay. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale with a smile and exhale with a bigger smile. Letting go of all the tensions, all the worries. Just the awareness on your breath and your smile. As you're breathing in, the beautiful smile particles are entering your body. Breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Smile. Beautiful. See how beautiful you can smile. We human beings have a beautiful smile. I want all of you to smile, or else you will want me to tickle. Yes, we can hold the crystal in our hand. Close your eyes, breathe. Inhale and exhale. Your eyes are smiling, your nose is smiling, you have a beautiful smile on your lips, your throat is smiling, your shoulders are smiling, upper hand, lower hand, fingers, there's a tingling sensation in your fingers, and then these particles start traveling up from your fingers to your shoulders, to your chest, to your lungs, to your heart, to your abdomen, to stomach, spleen, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, kidney, urinary bladder. All your reproductive organs are smiling. Upper leg, lower leg, toes. And from your toes, these particles are entering the ground. The way a tree makes itself strong by spreading the roots, you are also making yourself strong by spreading the roots. You are safe, you are protected, and you're connected to Mother Earth. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. And then these particles start traveling up from your toes to back of your legs, lower leg, lower back, upper back, shoulders, and head. You are in a white light pyramid, safe and protected. And now ready to travel with me to the Creator's plane of unconditional love. Breathe. From the plane where there are crystals, you go up, 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 up into the plane where we have plants and trees, into the plane where we have human beings and animals, into the plane where we have our ancestors taking their blessings, going further up, 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 up into the plane where we see our god, goddesses, angels, and guides, going further up into the plane where we have our spiritual laws, law of karma, law of attraction, law of gratitude, and so many more laws. Crossing the laws, going further up, 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 up into the plane where we see two lights. One is a dark light and the other is a white light. You enter the white light, you reach the Creator's plane of unconditional love. You're one with the Creator. Of all that it is, it has been commanded to please release all the wayward entities, spirits, fallens, all the psychic attacks, evil eye, nazar on people meditating with me in this forum. Creator of all that it has been commanded to clear all the confusions which people meditating with me in this forum are holding on to. Let all the confusions and clutter be cleared, and let them be able to bring in clarity in various aspects of their life: health, wealth, and relationship, for their highest and best, for the highest and best. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Creator, please show me now. Creator of all that it is, it has been commanded to download the Creator's perspective of gratitude. That people meditating with me in this forum are worthy enough of living a life in gratitude. Know how does it feel to be in gratitude from Creator's perspective. You know how does it feel to express gratitude in Creator's perspective, that they're worthy enough of feeling and being in gratitude for their highest and best, for the highest and best. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Creator, please show me now. Open your heart, love. Visualize a beautiful pink light shining in the center of your chest. There's a beautiful pink color heart. As you bring your awareness and breath in this area, this pink heart starts becoming bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. You're opening yourself to gratitude, and you're merging the pink light, merging with the universe. You're one with the universe. As you're merging with the universe, you feel the bliss in you. Imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a beautiful garden. This is the gratitude garden, a sacred space created by your soul to hold the energy of all the things you're grateful for. Take a step inside, feel the warmth of the sun onto your skin. Notice the vibrant colors of flowers, the soft grass under your feet, and the gentle rustling of the leaves. As you walk, each step fills you with gratitude. Visualize a person you are grateful for appearing as a glowing figure in this garden. Feel the love and joy they have brought into your life. Say silently, thank you for being in my life. I'm grateful for your presence and the lessons you bring. Visualize a past experience that brought you growth. It may have been a joyful one or a challenging one. See it manifesting as a radiant flower in the garden. Thank you for the growth and wisdom this experience has gifted me. Say silently, thank you for the growth and wisdom this experience has gifted me. Visualize your body and health. Appreciate the miracles of being alive. Imagine your body glowing with the vibrant light. Say, say to your body, thank you, body, for carrying me through this life. I'm grateful for you. Quickly go through the 2024. What were the significant moments which you truly feel you're grateful for? What kind of help you got unexpectedly? Be grateful for the vacations you were able to spend time with your family, with your friends. Be grateful to the technology. Be grateful to the government of India. Be grateful for the food, clothing, and shelter which you have. Be grateful to the farmers, the shopkeepers, the vegetable walas who bring the food onto your table, to the help, to the sanitary workers, to the municipality workers. Be grateful to the villain of your life who played that difficult role into your life. What did you learn from it? Be grateful to that lesson. Be grateful for the money which you have. For you being able to spend on various luxuries or the basic necessities. Be grateful for the life which you're living. Many people dream the life which you are living right now. Be grateful for the home which you are staying, the laptop, to the mobile, to the technology. So many things to be grateful for. You are alive, all your near and dear ones are alive. You can see, you can hear, you can speak. Grateful for every possible thing which you have. Walk further into this beautiful garden and see a fountain of golden light. This is a fountain of gratitude. Dip your hands into it. Feel the golden light of gratitude filling every cell of your being. I'm grateful for the abundance in my life. I'm grateful for the love that surrounds me. I'm grateful for the moment of peace and connection. As you sit by the fountain, cold water, the droplets are touching your skin. You can feel the shiver in your body. You can feel a beautiful bliss in your body. And as you're feeling this, let all of it integrate into your being. Creator of all that it is, it has been commanded to instill with the people meditating with me in this forum the feeling of pure gratitude in every cell of their body, in every being of their life. The soul level, core level, genetic level, the history level, in the master cell and each cell of their body. For their highest and best, for the highest and best. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Creator, please show me now. Creator of all that it is, it has been commanded to release all the blocks and resistance to gratitude. All the parasites which are stopping them to be in gratitude be released and sent back to light for their highest and best, for the highest and best. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Creator, please show me now. Creator of all that it is, it has been commanded to download how does it feel to live a life in gratitude, and they choose to do it now. That their energies are aligned with abundance, love, and gratitude in every moment of their life. Thank you for it is done, it is done, it is done. Creator, please show me now. Now visualize what is it that you would want to manifest. Be grateful for. See that it has already happened and how happy and grateful you are. Ask the Creator to give you some kind of sign, some kind of guidance which is necessary for you in this moment, as it is the divine time for you to know about it. Bring your awareness onto it. See what comes up for you. Is there any kind of shape, symbol, word, or any feeling? Bring your awareness back to the gratitude garden. Take a moment to thank it for the experience. Slowly the garden begins to fade, but you feel that its energy remain within you, like a warm glow in your heart. Take a deep long breath and repeat, I'm a magnet for gratitude and abundance. I live in harmony with all the blessings in my life. Gratitude opens the doors of miracles into my life. Visualize you are sitting in the center, all your family members, friends, colleagues, everyone sitting around you. A cord coming from your solar plexus, that is 3 fingers above the navel, is connected to their solar plexus. This is black in color, it has a foul smell. Take a dagger, cut the cord. Say cut, cancel, clear, heal, cut, cancel, clear, heal, cut, cancel, clear, heal. Tell them you are free, I am free, you are free, I am free. I release you from all the past memories, ties, and contracts. Open your heart to love and send them love. Thank them and let them go. Say to yourself, I have created this life and I have the power to recreate it also. Tell to yourself, take your own name. When I will say Puja, you're going to take your own name. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm thankful and I love you, Puja. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm thankful and I love you, Puja. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm thankful and I love you, Puja. Slowly send this beautiful energy of love, light, magic, gratitude to all your family members, to your friends, to your colleagues, all your near and dear ones. Every being who is present here, who could not be present here, to them, to their family members, to your family members, people in jail, deployed at the border, their family members, countries who are fighting war, people who are stuck in some natural calamity, plants, birds, animals, trees, insects, all the other human beings. Be grateful for everything. Slowly come back into your room. Tell to yourself, I'm amazing and powerful, I'm unique, I'm wonderful, I'm the best. I deserve the best. I'm the magnet of health. I'm the magnet of wealth. I'm a magnet of love and relationships. The love which I give to my family and friends comes back to me multiplied. I love me. I put myself first. I'm important. I'm the favorite child of the universe. Universe has my back. Move your toes, move your fingers, rub both your hands. Put it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes with a big smile on your face. And now give yourself a nice tight jadoo ki jaffi. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Uplifted, wonderful, awesome, self-loved, so blissful, so good after so long. I'm feeling blessed, amazing, awesome, blissful, peaceful, refreshed, cool, blissful, awesome, calm, energy, happy, energetic, blissful. Centered, happy, connected to higher power, feeling light and energetic. Blessed, 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 blessed. Isn't it beautiful? Are you feeling refreshed? Yes? Right time to step. If we will step into 2025 with this beautiful energy, how our 2025 is going to be? Isn't it going to be energetic? है ना? होगा ना? Super cool and relaxed. Anyone who'd want to share something, you'd want to share something, some experience, if you'd want to share, then raise your digital hand, raise your digital hand if you'd want to. Very nice meditation, ma'am. Can you give the meditation recording, please? Thank you, Pooja. I will be sharing the recording in the group because many people have missed it and they requested me for the recording. I will be sharing it. Yes, yes, yes. Anyone who'd want to share something? कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे जैसे सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया है यस कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे नहीं
पूजा,
शाम को
this is Meenal. I just joined. I don't know what are we referring to, but जैसे कुछ अच्छा हो गया है when you said, I just thought I'll speak up.
Where are you, Meenal? I can't see you. Raise your
You
digital.
can't see me yet? I've switched on my camera already.
Okay. Then you there are raise your
Maybe in the
digital
long
hand.
list somewhere I disappeared. But I am
Raise,
with my camera on.
I saw you.
Okay, great. So I just want to make one statement, which actually made me join this group of gratitude. Of course, one is you, Pooja. Secondly, we all know about karma, right? The Bhagavad Gita is all about karma. And it just happened to me at work. I'm leading a big team, and we have like monthly recognition program. And we have this monthly recognition program. And as a leader, I would always nominate someone from my team, some way or the other. Sometimes it went through, sometimes it did not fly, but I made sure that a nomination was made from my end. And just today, they have released an email, recognize the recognizers. So I got awarded because I've been consistently recognizing my team. So
Wow.
it is a beautiful tale. And when I saw it, I said the first thing which clicked me was about karma. And then I said, okay, let's practice gratitude. This is the right time. Maybe Lord is leading me this way. I need to be here.
Awesome. I'm glad you joined in. I will be sharing the recording. I want you to do the activity and participate 100% into it. And it's
Sure,
good to
sure.
see you, Meenal, after a long time.
Yeah, same here, Pooja. Feelings are mutual.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing and heartiest congratulations. More power to you. More things come to you.
Thank you.
Love, light, and magic to Meenal. Pallavi has raised her hand. Hi, Pallavi.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, it's nice to come back after a really, really long time. I
Yes.
was actually having a lot of things going on, but then finally I saw your message again. The reminder message popped up. I was like, oh no, I have still not joined it, and then that's how I joined. So for this meditation, this is the first we have done this before, and always unlike how everybody felt, that's how I used to feel. But today, especially, I was feeling a little heavy and very sleepy after a certain time. Like
Mm.
after some time, when you said we are in the divine light, like the white
Mm.
light, it was all a blur. I don't know what I heard, what I didn't hear. And also, my right side was a little painful after I came out of it. I did snap out of it when you asked us to come out. I was not sleeping for sure. But I don't know why I felt heavy and I was feeling well, little sleepy. I wanted to know why I felt it this way this time.
Thank you for sharing, Pallavi. So what happens is there are energy, hmm, there is energy, there are energy blockages, and then there are resistance. Many a times what happens is when we are doing the release work, the resistance come up.
Hmm.
Hmm. So they are trying to show that I am stronger,
Um,
isn't it? So I want you to drink a lot of water, Pallavi. The
okay.
more you will drink water, we have already initiated with the commands, and it it will help.
Okay.
Huh? It will help. So nothing to worry. It is just the energy shifts which are happening, and
Hmm.
many a times, we go through so many experiences in life,
Hmm.
hmm, which are there, which are holding us back.
Hmm.
So when we meditate, we release them, we initiate with so many commands, we attract so many negative energies at times, and those
Hmm.
energies don't want to move out.
Right.
Hmm. So,
Right.
drinking a lot of water and
Okay.
deep breathing is something which is going to help you.
Okay. And
Deep, long breath again and again.
I had. I've thanks to the Bombay weather, it's becoming like Delhi. We are closer to that now. We are like having a lot of pollution and things like that. S-
Uh-huh.
With that, everybody is sick, everybody is coughing. So there is this constant cough. I'm on medication, but then the cough is not going. So I thought probably it's not the weather, it's me. I don't know. I just felt it like 2 days back. I actually was going to call you for the same. And that's when you actually sent me this link again, the reminder.
So, what is your question, Pallavi?
Sorry?
What is your question?
The question is it me or the pollution? I mean, I'm coughing continuously. Like, it's not going away. I'm not able to work properly.
So it could be both ways. I want you to reflect onto it. That is it something that you're holding on to, which you want to speak up, but you're not able to speak up? If
Mm.
yes, then what it is?
Okay.
Hmm.
Should I
Or is
meditate?
there, yeah,
Like,
meditate onto it and reflect onto, or is there some area of your life wherein you want to be heard?
okay.
Hmm? It could be, generally it is that which
Okay.
happens. And
Okay.
something which you can do is put red color over here and a red line over here.
Okay.
Red
Like,
line,
on
red.
the
Yeah. So silver members, diamond members of Purple Tree will be doing the Sujokos on 3rd, 4th, 5th. I'll be sharing the dates tomorrow. So you'll be learning more about it. But yes, this is something which you can do.
okay. Works. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you for sharing. Let us send in love, light, and magic to Pallavi. Seema, good to see you. Switch on your camera. Oh my God. I can't hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, I
Yeah.
can hear you. Awesome.
In ages, absolutely, right? Trying to
Yes.
get in touch with you, but just nahi ho raha tha somehow or the other. And I just joined a little while ago. I was just scrolling through my this messages and I saw, oh my God, I've got so many messages from you. I was not sure of the time, but anyway, the little last bit I could hear, and I'm even so much more happier that I'm able to see you. How have you been?
Same here. Good to see you after a long time, Seema ji. Now I want you to be more connected, and there are many things which have come up. I have put the group together so that we
Oh,
can just help and upgrade ourselves. I have given a lot of benefits also to my whole Sujok clients. So you will love it. So continue, be a part of it, meditate, and just
sure. But please do keep sending me messages even whenever you're doing this Sujok thing again.
Yeah. You will come to know. You're in the group and you'll get the messages, right?
Thank you
Not
so
only
much.
the joke, but you'll learn many more new things for sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
hopefully, yes.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Lots of
Thank you.
love, light,
Thank
and
you.
magic to you, Seemaji.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Subodh, you want to share something? You have raised your hand. Let me add pin. Switch on your camera so that I can see you. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Subodh.
Yeah, no, I am Renuka.
Renuka. Okay.
Yeah,
Renuka. Good
yeah,
evening.
the meditation was very good.
Huh?
You took us around the gardens which I had never seen in life. And we went through our ancestors and they putting their hands on us was very wonderful. The
Awesome.
feeling of blessings in their form of gratitude to us, we want to return them the way we live our life with contentment, satisfaction, and to do good more for the universe.
Lovely, Renuka.
Thank you, ma'am.
Such a
Need
beautiful
your
smile you have, Renuka.
Thank you. Thank you. I need your blessings and grace and your helping hands to us to grow like you, to do good for the universe.
Yes, it is always there. Thank you. Thank you for joining in. Lots of
Thank you,
love,
ma'am.
light,
Thank you.
magic
More,
to you.
more power to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Neelam, please share the Sujok points with Pallavi. You can do it and share it in the group. That would be wonderful. Awesome. So from tomorrow onwards, the challenge starts, 28-day challenge, and each day you'll be doing an activity. We'll be keeping a track of everything. I want you to participate 200%, give it your best, and see the magic. Mark my words, if you will do this activity, your life is going to change for sure. I remember last time there were people who were struggling in so many things, their life shifted. So now is your turn. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for the magic?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Then type in comments magic, magic, magic. In fact, you can unmute yourself and say magic, magic, magic. 1, 2, 3. Let us all say it together. Wait. Where is the view? At the count of 3, we will say. You can unmute yourself. Unmute, unmute, unmute. Unmute, unmute, unmute yourself. And 1, 2, and 3.
Magic!
Magic.
Magic.
Magic!
Magic.
Magic! Magic!
Magic.
Thank you, thank you,
Magic.
thank you. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So for silver members and the diamond members of Purple Tree, we are going to start with weekly self-healing session that will be for 30 minutes on Wednesday. I will share. So whatever you are doing, wherever you are, just connect for 30 minutes on the call and we will be doing self-healing for ourselves. Right? So this is
What
something
time?
which I'm starting. I will, silver members and the diamond members of Purple Tree, time and everything, I will be sharing it in the group. There are many new things coming up. So stay tuned, look at the group. You will come to know what is there. And gratitude challenge, I want you to participate 200%, make the most out of it. Look out for the message tomorrow early in the morning. You will start getting the challenges and just do your best, right? There'll be a message all of a sudden. You'll see that let's join in for a Zoom call. So that time I want you to join in for the Zoom call, right? You do that?
What?
Yes, I can do that. In between 28 days, it is not necessary that I'll meet you all only after 28 days. In between, if my mood says that I want to connect with everyone and see the experience, then I will say, join in, join in, join in today, join in. I can do that. You know that. Know me very well, Neelam. Yes. Okay. Take care of yourself. I'm keeping all of you in prayers and sending in lots of love.
Light and magic.
Light and magic.
Magic.
Care. Bye bye. Good evening. Bye bye.